Ship shafting bearing shell matching with shaft. The touching area between the shaft and bearing shell depends mainly by the vertical and horizontal deviation between centers and the vertical and horizontal angles between the symmetry axes of these zones. Less contact bearing area means high oil pressure with the same reaction force. Many classification society has limits for max lubricant oil bearing pressure, to avoid oil film deformation. Look bad touching shaft area. Look bad touching bearing area. The up-to-date method to measure the touching bearing area is the scanning of ultraviolet beam and the image scanning by a photometer. Synthesis of scanning images. Results of ultraviolet beam intensity conclude the touch area, as a percent of geometrical area half peripheral 10 width, for this case 37%. In case only photos bearing area is available, an approximate digital special soft apply to superimpose an ultraviolet filter for high definition transformation. Force reaction of bearing measured by jack-up test. The force is measured by load cell and shaft lift by laser pinpoint microgauge system. Bending moment and shear forces measurements by strain gauges are one of the most reliable method to measure the bearing position and reaction force. Bluetooth transmission deflection system resulting easy and reliable deflection measurements for crankshaft as well. Thermal images by infrared camera designated the overheating bearing. Zoom of the infrared camera focus on the hot spot, that the cause of overheating. Removing hot spot area, the overheating problem eliminated. Thermal images after hot spot removed and touching area rectified. Look with uniform temperature distribution and unproblematic operation.